So the next step is, how do you determine whether a formula determines a function or not? And usually what we mean is y a function of x? Alright, so let's try some examples. Suppose you've got x squared plus y squared equal to 14. Now if you go to try and solve for y, you've got y squared equals 14 minus x squared. So y is going to be plus or minus square root of 14 minus x squared. Now the problem is, since we had to take that square root, we've got this plus or minus here. So you find yourself making a choice. Anytime you're making a choice, what you have is not a function. Okay, let's try another one. Let's say we've got 1 plus y cubed equals x to the 5th minus 14 over 2. That's a 5. Alright, so again, if we want to try and solve this for y, I guess the first thing we need to do is multiply by 3. We've got 1 plus y cubed is, I guess it'll be 3 halves times x to the 5th minus 14. Need to subtract 1, so y cubed will be 3 halves of x to the 5th minus 14 minus 1. And you notice when I take a cube root, I don't have to do plus or minus. There's only one cube root of any real number. So I've got the cube root of 3 halves x to the 5th minus 14 minus 1. So I've only got one solution. So yes, y is a function of x. And specifically, it's this function. Alright, one more. Now this one's pretty terrible looking. Now you can guess this is probably not going to be a function, but the giveaway is going to be that we've got even powers of y.